Hi everyone, I wanted to do a really quick training video on the difference of starting with a template versus starting from scratch. So today I'm going to go over here to cards and I'm going to scroll down, and today I'm going to do a 5x7 greeting card. And if I click on start with a template, you're going to see that it takes me to the design store where I can search pre-made designs. But if I hit the back arrow and I click start from scratch, you get to start with a blank sheet of paper and pick either landscape or portrait. And there are also some blank designs where there's nothing on the inside, but the front is already designed for you. So that is the difference between starting from scratch and starting with a template.